Now same thing, if I were to ask you about a short or chota, how does it work? Now replace it with lamba, and which is basically again long or tall. Can you guys think of some adjectives in Hindi which do not change? And if you do, write it down in the Zoom chat, all of you. Khoobsurat, chalak, tez, okay. Saaf is good, okay. Okay, asan, okay. Okay. Can you use other adjectives? Okay, safed hai, okay. Okay. What is the adjective for expensive? Right? Yeah, it's okay. Go ahead. Why don't you do it? Mehenga. So chauda hai. Oh, I see. Now I'm gonna have a short table for all of you. I use a set of adjectives for you. Yeah. So when you're using dhire, you're using it with a with a verb. Okay. With dhima, you can use it independently. So it's like dhima, dhimi, right? I mean, or dhime. So you can use dhima completely as independent adjectives. मेरा घर उस घर से दूर है, मेरा घर उस घर से पास है, मेरा घर उस घर से पुराना है और महंगा है, or anything you can say. So let's just practice. What are the commonly used adjectives or phrases do you hear when you are, and you hear a lot, right? I mean, सबसे लंबा और सबसे पुराना. What is सबसे पुराना? Oldest, right? सबसे पुरानी. What are some of the other commonly used phrases that you hear? What does it mean? Expensive, the most expensive. Extremely difficult would be, okay, kathin or mushkil, right? Mushkil, right? So imagine you have like a language that you're learning, and you're like, you are a polyglot, you know many languages. Like, सबसे मुश्किल language है, right? सबसे मुश्किल, very hard. Okay, very good, right? सबसे सस्ता, let's say you want to buy something. So you can say सबसे सस्ती vegetable कौन सी है, right? Or you can also say क्या ये सबसे सस्ता है. You pick something and then like you pick a laptop. क्या ये सबसे सस्ता laptop है? Is this the cheapest laptop here? अच्छा. सबसे अच्छा और सबसे अच्छी. In the news article, you will say सबसे प्राचीन also, which is another word for old. प्राचीन. Okay, it's a more formal word. प्राचीन. ये सबसे प्राचीन इमारत है. इमारत is the building. Yes, you can say that. सबसे ईमानदार. सबसे ईमानदार. What else? होशियार. सबसे होशियार. Very good, right? So you're talking about the most intelligent person in the room. So होशियार. Yes, you can say सबसे बहादुर. Same thing. बहादुर is okay. सबसे शर्मीली. Okay. Patla or patli. Okay. So what I'll do now, I'm going to go back to it. In the interest of time, I'm going to show you some difficult, like it's complicated one. So I want to give some time to you. These are the news articles that you will notice if you search for. Okay, beautiful. There are many things in this sentence. Okay, what is China? China. Very good. What is Registan? Desert. Very good. Rail is train. What is Niyantran? It's a control. Okay. Sorry, it's rate. Sorry. I didn't read it. It's not rail, it's rate. What is rate? Right. Yes, soil or sand. Right. So rate, it's basically read it as rate, and it means soil or sand. Okay. And the other one, the word that you read here is the Niyantran, control. Like you're managing soil management, think of it as like a control. What is this word? Vraksharopan. Okay, anyone else? Vraksh is, that's right, Vraksh is tree or pear. Vraksh. Ropan, aropan, Vraksh aropan. So they are trying to put plans. Ka abhiyan. What is abhiyan? Program or campaign. Now at least you can break it down and make sense of this article. Now let's see the next one. Journal. Okay, so what are the new words? What is the new word that you know? What is dunya? Right, world. What is rahsyamay? Right, mysterious. right? And then Jarna is, yeah, right in front of you, if you notice it. Waterfall. Right? Any questions on either of these? Anyone?